Hello, I'm Christian, the co-founder of ITeens.
And I'm Caroline, also the co-founder of ITeens.
Starting in 2020, ITeens was founded and created to assist senior citizens by teaching them technology courses.
During the COVID-19 worldwide pandemic, we saw the need to assist all of our community with their technological questions and devices.
While staying home, people rely on communication tools like Zoom and FaceTime to connect with each other, but often do not know how to effectively use them.
We do our best to help others who are not as aware of these technological resources.
So ask us questions through our website at iteens-tech.org or email us at iteens.help@gmail.com. Hello everyone and good morning. Thank you for coming. My name is Christian.
And I'm Caroline.
We will begin today's webinar with a tutorial. Today's tutorial will be part 2 of a 2-part Protect Your Electronic Device event. Today we'll cover the internet protection of your device from hacking to spam calls. Please view part 1 regarding the physical protection of your device on our website.
Once we are done, we will open up to the optional private Zoom session to individually answer any questions you may have, relating or not to the tutorial. Please feel free to write down any questions you may have during the tutorial to ask after.
Before we begin, does anyone have any questions? At this point, you can unmute yourself if you do.
We will now begin the tutorial. Please remember to keep your mic muted and video off while we are presenting. Thank you, sit back and enjoy the tutorial.
Disclaimer: all of these tips are meant to help you stay safe on the internet. However, these tools may not always work, and it is not a guarantee that you can be completely safe on the internet.
Recap: being safe on the internet is just as important as protecting your phone physically. In the last tutorial, we covered part 1, the tools to protect your phone from the outside. If you missed the live tutorial or you would like to watch it again, please view the recording at www.iteens-tech.org/videos.
What is internet safety? Well, it includes browsing safely on web browsers, downloading safe files, and preventing unknown calls, text messages, or emails.
Browsing safely on web browsers. Whenever you browse on a website, some websites constantly track you. Websites are often designed to gather information and data on the user. Have you ever wondered why one day you are looking on a website for shoes and the next day you're on YouTube and there are shoes for advertisements? This is not a coincidence. This is the result of the website cookies.
Cookies. Cookies are unfortunately not the sweet, warm kind we are used to that comes fresh out of the oven. Instead, they are files that are embedded onto a website to gather information about you. Normally, a notification notifying you that a website is using cookies looks like this.
If you would like to limit the amount of cookies on the website, there are tools that can help. One way is by browsing privately or being incognito. Here's how, either on Safari or Google Chrome.
Safari private browsing. Step 1. Open the web browser Safari. You are automatically placed within a regular tab. To enter private mode, click File in the upper left-hand corner.
Select the option that says New Private Window.
Step 3. A new private window has opened up for private browsing. As noted, Apple says they will not remember the pages you visit, your search history, or autofill password information.
Google Private Browsing Incognito. Step 1. Open the web browser Google Chrome. You will be automatically placed into a regular tab. To enter private mode, click the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner.
Step 2. Select the option that says New Incognito Window.
A new incognito window has opened up for private browsing. As noted, Google says specifically they will not save cookies and site data.
Secure browsing. It is also important to browse on secure websites. Secure websites include end-to-end encryption, which is when your information is secured from the public, in this case, hackers.
How do I know that the website is secure? There should be a padlock next to the website name as shown. The padlock is in various places depending on the browser.
If a website is not secure, it will let you know with a tag that says not secure. You should try to minimize the time on these websites, especially when entering passwords or personal information like your credit card.
Downloading safe files. Unfortunately, hackers can embed software that can ruin your computer within files. So that is why you should only download files from sources you know and sources that are secure, as mentioned before.
Spam. Almost everyone receives at least one call that always asks for your personal information. These are known as spam calls or solicitors.
On iPhone, you can limit spam calls by muting incoming calls that are unknown. Here's how. Navigate to the Settings app.
Step 2. At the search bar, search Phone.
There will be many options that show up, but choose the option that only says iPhone, and this is green.
Step 4. Scroll down and click the option to Silence Unknown Callers. This will mute calls that are not in your contacts, but instead send them to your voicemail.
Thank you for joining us. Are there any questions?